Everyone tells you to buy a duplex or a triplex. They're wrong. If you want true passive income and massive tax shelters, you need to stop buying residential entirely. Look, I spent years grinding in the residential market, managing toilets, tenants, and tiny margins. It felt like a second job I couldn't quit. But everything changed when I shifted to mixed-use properties. Commercial on the bottom, residential on top. I stopped chasing pennies and started building a portfolio that actually funds a lifestyle. Today, I'm revealing the mixed-use shortcut. I'm going to show you exactly how to find your first small commercial property, how to structure the deal, and how to use that cash flow to effectively pay for your own primary residence. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the wealthiest investors are exiting the residential race to enter the commercial lane. Let's dive in. Look, we've all heard the safe advice. Buy a duplex, house hack, slowly scale to a portfolio of single-family homes. Sounds great on paper, but in reality, it's a grind. You're dealing with the 3 T's, tenants, toilets, and trash. And for what? A few $100 in monthly cash flow after the mortgage and repairs. If you're a high earner, residential rentals are barely moving the needle. You're paying a massive chunk of your income to the government, and your passive income has turned into a second full-time job managing leaky faucets and midnight emergency calls. And here is the real killer, the ceiling. Residential properties have a hard limit on how much rent you can charge. You can't just double the rent on a 2-bedroom apartment because you improved the neighborhood. The market dictates your profit. You're trapped in a cycle of saving for years just to afford one more small door. It's slow. It's tedious. And for professionals making 6 or 7 figures, it's a mathematically inefficient way to build wealth. You're working harder to manage the property than the property is working for you. You don't need more doors. You need a better asset class. Here is the secret: mixed-use properties. It's the ultimate real estate hybrid. You get the stability of residential living combined with the massive cash flow of commercial business. While everyone else is fighting over a 2% cap rate on a suburban bungalow, you're playing a different game. Let's break down why this is the shortcut to wealth. Residential tenants are a headache. They call you at 2 a.m. for a leaky faucet. Commercial tenants, they're professionals. They sign 5 to 10-year leases. Many are triple net or NNN leases. This is the holy grail. In an NNN lease, the tenant pays the property taxes, the insurance, and the maintenance. You don't just collect rent, you collect a net check. Your overhead drops to near zero. Then there's the valuation. In residential real estate, your value is decided by your neighbor. If the house next door sells for $300K, yours is roughly $300K. You're a slave to the market. But mixed use is commercial. Commercial value is based on net operating income, or NOI. If you increase the rent by $500 a month, you don't just make more money, you increase the actual value of the building by tens of thousands of dollars. You control the equity. You aren't waiting for the market to go up, you're forcing it. Now, for the high-income professionals watching, let's talk about the tax shelter. Commercial properties allow for something residential doesn't do well: accelerated depreciation. By using a strategy called cost segregation, you can break the building down into components. You can write off things like lighting, flooring, and landscaping much faster. This creates a massive paper loss that can offset your active income. It can literally wipe out your taxable income while you're actually making money in your pocket. So how do you actually execute this? Stop looking at Zillow. Zillow is for homeowners. You need to be on LoopNet or Craigslist. Better yet, call a commercial broker. Tell them you're looking for small bay mixed-use properties. We're talking about a small retail spot with 2 or 3 units above. This is the sweet spot. It's easier to finance than a shopping mall, but it pays significantly more than a single-family home. This is how you buy a property that doesn't just pay for itself, it pays for your entire residential lifestyle. Now here is the catch. Commercial deals aren't as simple as a Zillow search. You need precise numbers to avoid a $1 million mistake. That's why I use the analysis tools linked in the description. They handle the complex math and NOI calculations instantly. When you stop guessing and start analyzing, the results change. I've seen investors shift from struggling with one duplex to owning a mixed-use asset that pays for their entire primary residence. That is true wealth acceleration. If you want the exact CRM and analysis tools I use to vet these deals, check the links below. While you're there, hit subscribe. We're mapping out the 2026 blueprint for passive income. Don't get left behind.